When you look at a photo of a cat, your brain instantly recognizes the whiskers, the fur, and those judgmental eyes. But to a computer, that cat doesn't exist. At least, not yet. That's where computer vision comes in. It's a field of AI that teaches machines to interpret and understand the visual world. While we see shapes, colors, and objects, computers see something very different: a massive grid of numbers called pixels. Each pixel represents color and brightness. The goal of computer vision is simple, but powerful: turn those raw numbers into meaningful understanding, just like our brains do every second. So how does it actually work? It starts with image processing and feature extraction. The AI looks for basic building blocks: edges, corners, and textures. Think of it like a detective gathering clues. A line here, a curve there, and slowly, those clues combine into recognizable shapes like an ear, a wheel, or a face. Behind the scenes, this is often powered by something called convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. These are layers of digital filters that scan images step by step. Early layers detect simple patterns like lines, while deeper layers recognize complex objects. Now, computer vision mainly performs three key tasks. First, image classification, simply answering, what is in this picture? Second, object detection, not just what, but where. It draws boxes around objects in an image. This is critical for things like self-driving cars navigating traffic. And third, segmentation, the most precise of all. It identifies every single pixel that belongs to an object. This is incredibly useful in fields like medicine, where doctors can detect things like tumors with high accuracy. And here's the amazing part: computer vision is already everywhere. It's how your phone unlocks using your face, how drones avoid obstacles, and even how farmers monitor crops from space. And we're just getting started. We're now moving into multimodal AI, where machines don't just see images, they can describe them, understand context, and even predict what might happen next. From helping visually impaired individuals navigate the world, to making our roads safer, we're giving machines something incredible: the ability to see.